which then grew into a hope, which then turned into a quiet thought, which then turned into a quiet word. And then that word grew louder and louder, till it was a rallying cry. I'll come back when you call me, no need to say goodbye. Just because everything's changing doesn't mean it's never been that way before. All you can do is try to know who your friends are when you can't see them anymore. Pick a star on the dark horizon and follow the light. You'll come back when it's over, no need to say goodbye. You'll come back when it's over, no need to say goodbye. Now that we're back to the beginning, it's just a feeling that no one knows yet. But just because they can't feel it too doesn't mean that you have to forget. Let your memories grow stronger and stronger till they're before your eyes. You'll come back when they call you, no need to say goodbye. You'll come back when they call